Bayad tayo ng kuryente. May pa-Christmas pa si Robinson, di pa nila tinanggal. O saglit. Sariwang lumpia. Kain tayo. Ito ng dalawa. Tapos, Dutch milk for Ayana. Maliliit lang. Ay, malalaki pala ito. Kasi maliliit. Walang maliliit. Walang may nakaano. Ay, bakit kailangan ganito? 6. Tapos cheese. Cheese ni Jowa. And ko yun na naka-atin ni Paul. Okay. Come here, mommy. Let's do grocery haul. Come here, anak. Di ka not see you, anak. Go get your chair. Can you get your chair? Yeah, go get your chair. Come on. Where's the chair? Behind you? Okay. Sit down.
Be careful. Slowly.
Oh, sit down here. Here. Okay, sit down. Ang gulo naman ng buhok mo, anak. Oh, sit down. Oh, careful. There you go. Okay. First, we have... What's this? Bread for daddy. We got 2 bread. Hindi siya excited sa nakikita niya. We got 2 bread. And then, oh, I got something for you, anak. I got something for you. Look at this. I bought this one for you. Wait. Yeah. This one, marker. Wait. You have to do this one first. Open this one. So instead of book, you have to write it here. Write it down. No, you have to open this. Like that. Then, draw something. Come on here. Here, move here, move. Yung ating grocery haul, nagkagulo na. Oh, wait, move here, move. There. You like that? So that's yours? Yeah. Those are the eraser also, anak. So, ay, sana tayo. So, meron silang pa-free sa akin. 3 ganito. Lucky Me at saka Kopiko Brown. Hindi na ako nagkakape ngayon. Tapos ito. Ano to eh? Sanitizer para sa vegetables. And we got for Ayana's diaper. Double XL. Yeah, that's yours. Later, you can have that one. And then, where's the other one? Other box. Ang mahal naman ng bilihin. Naka-5K na ako nito. Do you like that na? Anak, can you press something the screen? Look at the screen. Look at mama's phone. Tap it, tap like this, tap. Okay, come here. Good job. Magtuso na talaga yung anak ko. Okay, say hi to them. Tapos meron tayong tissue. Pumili ako ng tissue. Tapos maglalaba ako kasi marami akong mga puti na madumi. Meron akong oxalic acid. Pampaputi na ito ng damit. So, nag-try ako ng 3. Tingnan natin kung makuha yung mga ano, matanggal yung mga mancha. Shampoo namin, Pantene and Dove. Sachet lang kasi yung anak ko, hindi mo makontrol pag nakabattle yung aming shampoo. Meron tayong Downy. 2 yan. Tapos, ito yung ating Zundrox. 2 yan. Pandicolor also. Yan. Bumili na akong champion kasi kailangan ko. And meron tayong, nag-iba na naman ako champion ulit. Kasi dati surf, medyo mabaho yung surf para sa akin. Ito try ko. Yung champion. Tapos, meron tayong Bioderm. Do you still have soap, eh? Do you still have soap? Bioderm. For you and for Nicole. You use the pink one. And we got perfume for Viviana. Let's try this one.
Last time she dropped all the perfume.
No, this is not for Bubu. This is cologne. Wow, this so smell good. That's why they like this one, anak. Kasi mabango pala to. Fiona. Ito yung hinahanap ni Queen Beyonce. Hindi na daw nabili sa ano, SM. Mabango nga naman pala. Parang fresh. Okay, what else na? Kala itong ating buksin na sa baba na. Yeah, later. That one later. Let's open here. Yeah. Aray! Tamaan naman ako sa'yo na. Yes, okay. So we got for Ate Nicole, mga cookies. Ay, hindi pala, biscuit. Anak, look what happened to our video. Tap it. Tap it again. Tap. Okay, come here. Good job. Clap your hand. Very good. Okay. Sit down. Meron tayong biscuit na Nicole. More biscuit. Paano nila pang snacks. Tapos, pancit canton. Kasi minsan nagkikrave ako pero bihira na lang ako kumakain ng ganyan. Ng mga jam. Ito yung kanyang pang almusal. Yung pasta express na spaghetti. What now? What happened? What? It's dirty. Nothing na. Tapos meron tayong Nutribus for Bibiana. That's for you. And we got more chunky for Bibiana. That's for you. Chucky. Oh, don't open it. And we got for Daddy the cream cheese. We got 2 cream cheese. And we have, I got something for Kiana. Look at this. I got some stick for Yana also for your snack. And I got Ate Nicole Koya. Yeah. Later, you can open that as Daddy. That's meron tayong toothpaste.
Later on.
And meron tayong milk. Hindi ko alam kung masarap to ng milk. Ito-try ko yan siya. Oh, what's that noise? And we have UFC ketchup. Yeah, what's that noise? And I get something for Monty. Monty's food? Monty's food.
How much is that?
100 plus. I have saba. And mag-ano ako, mayroon pa akong natirang tawag nito. Ano ba tawag yung dessert na ginawa ko nung last time, gagawa ko ulit. Yung mango graham, yung graham. Yun. Tapos mayroon tayong more dilata. More dilata. Kung dilata yung ulam natin ng buong week, anak ka, more dilata. Halo-halo na yan sa mga shots. Sardinas, bigas sardines yung aking favorite sardinas. And meron tayong San Marino. And meron tayong pasty. We have some chorchuna. Sardinas ulit and Argentina. That's what we have. And meron tayong Quaker Oats para sa akin. And meron tayong kape ni Jowa. Ikit lang. Meron tayong olive oil. And we have napkin. And with wipes, maliit na with wipes. Pagkaalis ka niya, nakalangan ko ng with wipes sa maliit lang. And we have some Yakult for Bibiana. This is all yours. Oh my goodness. What else? Lastly, we have frozen food. Meron akong ano ito, crab stick. And yung burger. And we have, I got lumpia. That's it. Yun lang yung ating, no, nak. Yun lang yung ating grocery. 5K na to. What do you think, Ben? 5K. Fair enough?
Yeah.
Mahal ang bilihin ngayon. So, baby Anna, what happened to our video? Can you press again, Anna? Press again. Tap it, tap the screen.
Tap the screen, darling.
Tap the screen, Anna. Don't close the video, ha? Just tap the screen. Don't close it. Tap only. Okay, good job.
Good job.
Yay,
Good
very good,
job.
my baby girl. Very good. You like your new toy? So, yun lang yung ating grocery mga shots. Thank you for watching. Si bye-bye to them. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry. Buti na lang hindi yung payong na hulugan, baby Yana, no? Oh, there's more. Okay. Let me get...